Hi, if you want to set photo as wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to open settings and from here find wallpaper and style setting. After that, simply tap to change wallpaper and now you would see those suggested options, but you need to choose gallery from the list if you want to set your own photo as your lock screen or home screen wallpaper. After that, you need to choose a photo you want to set as your wallpaper and tap done. And now simply select where you want to apply it, either to lock screen or to home screen. Let's say I want to apply it to lock screen. For that, I'm going to remove checkmark from home screen and just tap next. So at this point, we can customize the lock screen. For example, we can resize clock. We can change its font and color. Also, we can make it bold or thin. We can change style and also enable those features. We can add some widgets by tapping here. Also, we can change those actions, for example, camera replaced with flashlight and so on. And on the bottom, we can add some effects. Just swipe left to check all of them. Then if you wanna apply it, just tap apply button. Also, you can add frame. You can change its color, or there is an option to erase background. And also, you can tap on gallery and change your photo. And we can also tap suggest, then wait a few seconds till AI will suggest those wallpaper options for us. And now, let me just remove the frame. Let's tap done and check the result. So for that, I'm gonna lock my screen, unlock, and here it is, my own photo as wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.